Welcome back to New Adept Empire. Today, we dive into the action comedy film Heads of State 2025, starring Idris Elba and John Cena. This film mixes explosive action, sharp humor, and political satire into one thrilling ride. On the surface, it's about two world leaders forced to survive together after an assassination attempt. But beneath the explosions and jokes, there are hidden secrets, life lessons, and scenes that carry deep advice about leadership, trust, and unity. In this video, we uncover the untold details, the secrets the movie hides, the valuable advice buried within the storyline, and the standout scenes that reveal them. 1. Secret of Unity Beyond Politics Scene. The President of the United States, John Cena, and the British Prime Minister, Idris Elba, crash land after Air Force One is sabotaged. Both initially argue over authority and blame. Advice. True leadership requires setting aside pride. Even the most powerful people must depend on each other in times of crisis. Lesson. No leader can survive alone. Cooperation across borders is the ultimate strength. 2. The hidden weakness of power scene. When enemies capture them briefly, their political status becomes useless. Their titles can't save them. Survival depends on personal courage. Advice. Don't rely only on position or power. Your real strength comes from skills, resilience, and humanity. Lesson. Titles fade in crisis, but character endures. 3. Secret betrayal inside the circle scene. One of their closest advisors is revealed to have orchestrated the sabotage. This twist shocks the leaders and the audience. Advice. Not all enemies stand outside, some are hidden within. Always question blind loyalty. Lesson. Leaders should remain vigilant. Trust, but verify. 4. Advice on leadership under pressure scene. As they trek across hostile territory, both leaders disagree on strategy. Cena favors brute force, while Elba insists on diplomacy. Eventually, they combine both. Advice. Effective leadership balances strength with negotiation. Lesson. Flexibility wins when rigidity fails. 5. The power of humor in darkness scene. In the middle of danger, Cena cracks ridiculous jokes, lightening the mood. At first, Elba disapproves, but later realizes humor keeps morale alive. Advice. In tough times, don't underestimate laughter as survival fuel. Lesson. Hope and humor are silent weapons against despair. 6. The secret of ordinary heroes scene. A farmer family shelters them for a night, despite the danger. The family reminds the leaders of what they're fighting for. Advice. Great nations are built on the courage of ordinary people. Lesson. Leaders must never lose touch with the citizens who give them power. 7. Advice on trust and brotherhood scene. At one point, Elba has to jump from a collapsing bridge, but only survives because Cena risks his life to pull him up. Advice. Brotherhood is forged not by words, but by sacrifice. Lesson. Trust is built through action, not speeches. 8. Secret about global threats scene. They discover the sabotage as part of a bigger conspiracy to weaken NATO and destabilize the world. Advice. Small conflicts often hide larger agendas. Leaders must look beyond immediate problems. Lesson. Always see the bigger picture. Short-term battles are part of long-term wars. 9. Advice from failure scene. Both leaders fail in an escape attempt and nearly get recaptured. This failure humbles them. Advice. Failure is not the end, it's the reset button. Lesson. Leaders grow when they learn from mistakes, not when they hide them. 10. The secret of mutual respect scene. In the climax, Cena and Elba realize that despite cultural differences, both bring unique strengths. Their respect for each other becomes their ultimate weapon. Advice. Respect is the foundation of any partnership. Lesson. Unity thrives when differences are honored, not erased. Conclusion. 1. Heads Up. State is more than explosions and laughs. It's a mirror reflecting leadership, humanity, and survival. 2. The film secretly teaches that power is fragile, trust must be earned, humor can save lives, and unity is stronger than rivalry. 3. If you watch closely, each action-packed scene carries advice, from betrayal and trust, to humility and courage. 4. Final takeaway. Real leadership is not about control, but about connection, sacrifice, and vision. 5. Thank you for watching New Adept Empire. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into hidden secrets and advice behind the world's most exciting